Basic refrigerator reset. Unplug the fridge or turn off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes to clear any electrical charge, then plug it back in. If you need to reset the screen on your Family Hub refrigerator, slide up the protective casing and you can use the red switch located inside the top of the right door. Family Hub Factory Reset. Go to Settings about Family Hub Factory Data Reset, then select Reset. Confirm by selecting Reset again, and choose Delete All Data. When not to reset. Error codes. These codes show specific issues needing professional attention. Write them down before considering a reset. Cooling off mode. If you see OFF or OFF, it's in demo mode. This can be turned off without a reset. Loss of diagnostic data. Resets erase error codes and history, making future repairs harder. When to reset. During cleaning or moving if there are no current issues. After certain error codes, like 8888, often caused by power outages. For a network reset, hold the lock button for 12 seconds until A and R appear. On Family Hub models, go to Settings then Wi-Fi, select your network, and choose Reset.